I'm making a short video so you can hear how the alarm works on this vintage sub-miniature guilloche and enamel alarm clock. The alarm's already fully wound, and I'm going to advance the time just so you can see that everything works as it should. Now what's interesting about this is I'm gonna do this one more time. I just changed the alarm. I'm gonna give it a quick wind. This little sub-miniature clock has a nice feature in that, and then you pull that winding crown out and that activates the alarm. I'm going to advance the time again. And then when you wake up, you press that crown back in and it turns the alarm off. Really in wonderful condition. There isn't any damage to the enamel. And it's a very pretty, tiny little clock, about the size of a quarter. Take care.